Alright, good morning. So we're over here again by Sunray Road where we launched all the time, or last time. We want to go a little bit different route today, so we came back here again for July weekend. I'm excited. It's a little windy. We got Beryl coming this way here in Texas, maybe. We're still not 100% sure. I feel like the wind calmed down a little bit. Dude, I saw him chasing that. Little red guy. Bro, got the black drum. Good size black drum right here. Good old black. Trout. Get it right next to the kayak. Look at this guy. He's out. He's gone. on the spoon, bro. That was cool. I saw the way he came and just hit it. Pretty cool hit too. Came off. Yeah. Alright, good morning. So today we're here in Aransas, I like to call it, fishing near Hog Island, underneath the bridge for Fin and Feather, and I try hitting this trout here, see if there's any trout biting. Trout? Yep. Good guy. Get out of here, bud. Oh, come on, really? Damn, dude, that was a hard hit. Frick, man. Ese bolillo no se caso. Yo, we out here with the boys for July weekend. Alright, so we're doing a little like Spook Junior type style top water. We're gonna see how that does. It's got the treble hooks on it. It's gonna see maybe it was the hooks, it's not being in the right location. Can feel them bumping the lure, but never really hitting it. So maybe with the treble hooks, there's a better hook set. I guess we'll see.
I was like, oh, but then I heard your. I was like, damn, is there really a boat coming up on us like that? It's like a perfect little mix.
I've been running it shallow, like just running the rudder through the grass. Like,
has it been working pretty good? I know you're having some problems.
Yeah, it's working fine now.
Yeah, bro.
Ever since they warrantied it out, been good.
Fucking getting into this grass, bro.
Yeah, it's fucking shitload of grass, bro. I think it's on top. It's just floating around.
That was fucking
It's because it gets tangled up in grass. I gotta lift it up, get all the grass out of it. Oh shit! Oh, I bumped the controller by accident. My bad. I didn't mean to do that. Fish on.
Oh yeah. Let's get him on.
Spoon. Yeah.
Good guy?
He's okay. He's I think like 18, 19.
Yeah, okay. What pound test do you have again?
10.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah. Solid guy right here.
The one I lost was at least slot.
Yeah, I saw. This size weight.
He wasn't fighting like one, I don't know.
They're in though.
You can get past the grass.
Nice little red. First fish of the day.
Yeah, the grass is bad.
No skunk.
Oh yeah. What a reason going to like that, you know?
I saw him hit it, bro. It was so sick. I slowed it down. It was the sickest hit. Oh my god. That was so killer, bro. He was going crazy for it. Was yours on top water, Dustin? Yeah, nice, dude.
You hear that gunshot go off?
No, I didn't.
And get over here, man. Get a pick with that big boy.
Yeah, he ain't too big. He not like Dustin's.
There we go, down to one. Yeah, probably not gonna be able to get very much. These ones will take this.
Small
There
guy.
we go. That's fat.
Rudy, you want to get a shot of just the release?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Go ahead.
It was on the 24.
Dude,
A little bit further.
you want to change hats?
Oh yes, thank you.
Yeah. Got you, bro.
I brought my true hat, dude. I'm about to get a quick my sheen real quick, bro.
I got you. Oh, there's a red sleeping right here. That might be the same one.
Nuh-uh.
Well, let me see. He's just...
Look at his face. He's sleeping. I'm gonna eat.
There, he took off. Oh, he sees the spoon. He got spooked for the spoon.
Yeah, down, down, well, down, 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 down. it's just shit. Oh, he saw me. There's two of them. Fucker. Dude. They're falling right up behind you.
Oh, I caught him. The one you were. Yeah, it was the one. I saw him swim. It was the one. I think it was the one that was following you. They came from the same direction.
Another one behind you too. Both of them were like right straight on. Like 20 inches.
That was funny, bro. I just see him come from the direction that I threw my lure where they swam off, and that was funny, bro. Funny.
There we go.
There you go. I heard that one. Ooh.
Oh, he's coming towards me.
Oh.
On the single hook, brother.
Nice, dude. Hey, mine looks like 20, like you were saying.
It looks like 22. I think, I don't know. Oh, you saw my net, Rudy.
Oh, I got a net.
I don't think I can flip him.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think it's right at 20.
This one might be smaller than that. I don't know. Dude, he's fucking boom.
I heard it.
Whoa.
There we go. Pinche Vega, way. Hey, wait, you heard of that brand Vega? ¿Qué es Vega?
¿Qué es Vega, güey?
Es como verga, pero es Vega.
I'm anchored down right here.
I bought it this morning.
Yeah.
I drank my other one yesterday.
Oh, hell yeah. Couple waterfalls this.
Yeah.
Be good.
Dude. Leave me alone.
It's good B-roll right there.
B-roll.
Get it?
Yeah. Yeah, I get it. There we go. Yeah. Decent. Whew. Finally, man. What a grind. Yeah. Like another 21 inch red. Perfect, bro. Yeah, it looks like a keeper. Yeah, another 21 inch red. Golly. Whew. Alright, let me see. Woo.
It's been a grind for this stringer, dude.
Dude, tell me about it. Well, hold on.